Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Mujeeb Shahzad. Okay, students, today we're gonna talk about Unit 2, Level 2 Speaking, page number 134. On page number 134, this is a grammar spot. Today we're gonna talk about there's and its. There's means there is, and its means it is. There's and its, it come with apostrophe. There's or there is used when something is being mentioned for the first time. For example, there's a bookstore on campus. Second example, there's a software program called Camouflage. It hides your files so others can't find them. And the third example is there's a tree on the roof of that building. The pronoun it in the expression it's or it is refers to something we already know. For example, the dart frog is bright blue. Predators know that it's dangerous. Second example, I don't like the color of that wall. It's too bright. In the first example, it's is referring to the phrase that is dart frog. So it's talking about dart frog. And in the second example, it's is referring to color. I hope you understand. Okay, now activity A. There is a paragraph. Complete the paragraph with theirs and its. If you think that it comes theirs in that blank, you have to fill with theirs or there is. If you think that it should be its or it is, then fill it with its. So the first is already given here. There are many different animals in the park. There's a bright red bird in a tree. Okay, now activity B. Walk with a partner. Imagine that you are in a place in your city. Describe what you see using theirs and its and take turns, turn by turn. Okay, now on the next page, page number 35. On this page, you find the spot that is about pronunciation. And today we're going to talk about schwa sound in pronunciation. Schwa in unstressed syllables. You know what is syllable? Syllable is a part of sound or a word that is pronounced in one puff of the ear. And you know that stress and unstressed syllables. The schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in English. It is the same sound speakers make when they pause and say ooh. Like ooh, when they pause, so they make this sound, and this sound is schwa sound. It is a very relaxed sound. Unstressed syllables often use the schwa. In dictionaries, the pronunciation of the schwa is usually shown with the symbol that is E, upside down E. You can find here, this is the symbol that is used in the dictionaries. This is the symbol of schwa sound, upside down E, small e. The word banana is a good example of the schwa. The first and last syllables have the schwa. Note that the stressed syllable na is longer than the other syllables, like banana. The underlined syllables in these words also use the schwa. These are all unstressed syllables. Remember that any vowel can have the schwa sound. So these are the examples I'm gonna play for you. So you can see that the words which are divided according to the syllables. So I'm gonna play it for you. You can listen that and you can find that how you can find the schwa sound in these words and the syllables. Listen please.
Unit 2. Pronunciation. Examples.
Animal, poison, survive, predator, forest, hungry, money.
The schwa is common in unstressed syllables, but it is sometimes used in stressed syllables. And two examples that you have just found in the track, these two words, hungry and money. Okay, now activity A. Listen and write the words. There is one unstressed syllable with the schwa sound in each word. Circle the syllable that contains the schwa sound. So you're gonna listen the track and you're gonna solve this activity. Okay, activity B. Listen again, then practice with the partner. Take turns saying the words. Turn button, you have to say the words and you can find and you can identify the schwa sounds. Okay, now activity C. Listen to these pairs of words. Which word has the schwa sound in the underlined syllable? Circle your answer. These are the words. Okay, now on the next page, page number 36. Activity D. Work with a partner, underline all the syllables with the schwa sound. Then take turns reading the sentences. Now the next spot is about speaking skill. And speaking skill, this spot is about asking for and giving examples. When you explain something, give examples to help the listeners understand your ideas. When you don't understand something, a speaker says, ask for an example. And for giving examples, usually the speakers they use these phrases like for example, for instance, here's an example, and there can be many others. And for asking for an example, when you want to ask for the example, how you ask, there are some of the examples given here. Can you give me an example? Do you have any examples? So these are some of them. Okay, now activity A. Listen to the excerpts from the listenings in this unit. How do the speakers introduce or ask for examples? Write the expressions they use. On the next page, page number 37, activity B. Work with a partner. Choose one of the topics below. Tell your partner about the topic. Take turns asking for and giving examples. Number 1. The best colors for the rooms of a house. Second, why I love the colors of the desert or the mountains, the beach, etc. Third, my favorite colors to wear. Thank you so much. Have a good day.